Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid method, an easy way to transfer or enlarge images. This technique is incredibly helpful for artists of all levels, ensuring accuracy and proportion in your artwork. We will cover the simple steps to set up your grids and transfer your image with confidence. By breaking down complex subjects into manageable squares, you can achieve impressive results, even with intricate details. Let's get started. First, select the image you want to work with. This could be a photograph or a sketch. Next, carefully draw a grid over your reference image. You can use a pencil or a fine-tip marker for this. Make sure your grid lines are straight and evenly spaced, perhaps 1-inch squares for a standard size. Labeling your rows with numbers and columns with letters will help you keep track of each section as you transfer it. This step is crucial for maintaining accuracy. Now, it's time to create a corresponding grid on your drawing surface. This grid should have the same number of rows and columns as your reference grid. If you're enlarging, make your canvas squares larger than your reference squares. For example, 2-inch squares if your reference has 1-inch squares. Use a light pencil so you can easily erase the grid later. Precision here is key to achieving accurate proportions in your final artwork. Double-check your measurements. With both grids in place, you can begin transferring your image. Work square by square, focusing only on the lines and shapes within each individual grid section on your reference. Then, draw those exact lines and shapes into the corresponding square on your drawing surface. This method helps you break down complex forms into manageable parts. Once you have transferred all the details and are satisfied with your drawing, carefully erase your grid lines. You'll be amazed by the accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.